The University of New South Wales is a world-class teaching facility located in Sydney's eastern suburb of Kensington. It is home to 9 faculties with state-of-the-art facilities that are constantly being developed to keep up with the demand of new technology and research methods. Our new development on the Kensington campus is the Science and Engineering building located on Bottom Campus next to the iconic Roundhouse. The $174 million development consists of 10 floors and offers 24,000 square metres of teaching and research facilities.
Hi, my name's Luke Percy, and I'm the Project Director of the new Science and Engineering building at the University of New South Wales. The Project Director is tasked to oversee the project in its entirety. It is the responsibility of the Project Director to manage all macro aspects of a project from feasibility to final handover. It is my job to ensure that a given project meets the organisational goals of the company through cost and quality. As a director, I implement and facilitate a flatline management system where I'm open to liaise with all stakeholders, the board of directors, consultants, subcontractors, and key management employees. As the project director, my responsibilities include establish a project team, identify key personnel, and assign duties and responsibilities. Oversee and control the financial accountability of the project with the help of the accounting department and the chief financial officer. Ensure effective stakeholder management. Facilitate a transparent communication and collaboration platform in which my team will operate. Supervise the overall project to stay within all scopes of work and design brief. Provide progress reports and constantly monitor progress. Effectively manage construction resources, including machinery, manpower, money, and materials.
As the appointed contracts administrator engaged in the development of the UNSW Science and Engineering building, my primary purpose is to administer and establish contracts between parties in accordance with internal contract management plans and approved procedures. My main objective is to help achieve the successful delivery of the project development through the use of contractual obligations between involved parties to agreed standards. My roles and responsibilities will vary depending on the life cycle of the project. The stages I will be involved in for the development of the Science and Engineering building are pre-contract phase, construction phase, and post-construction phase.
Hi, my name is Hazim Fahmi. I am the head architect for the UNSW Science and Engineering building. I have had various responsibilities within this project, from the overview and preparation of all construction documents to my roles within its different phases such as design development and systematic design. As a head architect, I must play a large leadership role within the construction administration and must have specific skills in order to excel at my job, some of which include being well educated in specialized design, having well developed decision-making skills, and the ability to lead a team in order to reach specific deadlines and goals within the different phases of the project while abiding by specific rules and regulations.
Hi, I'm Thomas Pollard and I'm the Work Health and Safety Coordinator.
I am responsible for eliminating all health and safety issues on site to create a safe workplace. This is achieved through site inductions, regular safety inspections, toolbox talks, safe work method statements, and ensuring workers are aware of all safety systems such as the use of PPE. As a result, all safety hazards shall be mitigated to reduce the risk of accidents, which can become costly and lead to injury. Not only am I responsible for operations on site, but also the safety of pedestrians around the area. This is executed with the help of facilities and site managers in providing appropriate traffic management, as well as site security in the form of temporary hoarding and fencing.
Hello, my name is Christian Kermy and I'm the HR Manager for the UNSW Science and Engineering building.
My responsibilities predominantly involve interconnection with personnel. My main role is to make sure that all employees are on the right track with company objectives so that all goals can be met. This may include various things such as training, reviewing, hiring and terminating employees. However, this role also consists of admin work that ensures that all processes and standards are compliant with Australian construction laws and the BCA.
Hi, my name is Aman Ali and I'm the Site Manager for the UNSW Science and Engineering building. I am responsible for all the day-to-day operations on the construction site. I also have to monitor and oversee the work carried out by subcontractors to ensure that the work being conducted is compliant with Australian standards and project specifications. Furthermore, communication with all stakeholders is important, particularly with subcontractors, and making them aware of the hazards on site through site inductions and safety checks. My role as a site manager also involves liaising with members of the site team so I can monitor progress on site and ensure the project is completed before the deadline.
Hi, I'm Mike Yikla, and I'm the project manager for the UNSW Science and Engineering Building. I was primarily responsible for the overall successfulness of delivering the project, reaching set targets both safely and correctly. I did this through 4 ways: design, develop, analyze, and evaluate. I had to be able to perform effectively within tight timeframes, keep within strict budgets, and create a positive client environment such that the clients become and remain in a good nature throughout the contract. Further, I am expected to support the development of the leadership both on site and back in the offices. Some of the roles included planning, resource allocation, staff management, budget management, and setting benchmarks. All these aspects made my part important towards the UNSW Science and Engineering Building.
Hi, my name's Daniel Anakin, and I'm the site engineer for the UNSW Science and Engineering Building. My major roles and responsibilities include drafting up drawings and calculating the structural integrity of key members and foundations for the building, inspecting the materials delivered on site to make sure they are up to standard, supervising the execution of correct construction methods, organising contractors to ensure that work packages are being completed on time. I also supervise the overall safety of the construction in conjunction with the WHS coordinator, site manager and project manager.
Hi, I'm Sarah Dowling and I'm the Financial Officer of the UNSW Science and Engineering Building. I oversee the financial aspects of this project, including budgeting, estimating, forecasting and monitoring to ensure all legal requirements are met. Due to the large scale of this project with a budget of $174.4 million, there are a lot of risks to manage and plenty of room for error. It is critical that I consistently review the progress of the building to control budget and see where to reduce other costs if necessary. To do this, it is important to communicate budget updates to our project manager and utilize industry software packages to track budget figures against actuals.
Hi, my name is Michael Kretzis and I'm the Facility Manager on the UNSW Science and Engineering side.
My roles and responsibilities during the pre-construction phase included establishing and managing the site office, ensuring access to temporary services, securing the premises, and establishing temporary bathrooms on site. During construction, my role was to organise and coordinate deliveries to site, and post-construction, I was responsible for the maintenance of machine rooms and equipment, setting up evacuation plans, and organising the security of the building.